You can design 5 different scheduling views of your clocks. This gives you different perspectives about your music flow. I usually set a display like the one we see here. I call it my main view. The text tags show the title and the artist, and the color of the format slices are the colors of my categories. Here, red is my hot current category, medium current hits are yellow, and album tracks are light blue, and so on. I also set up a tempo view. Then I can switch to that look and see the tempo flow throughout the hours. To change the view, open the View menu and select Tempo. And here's what we see. I've also set a gender view, so I can see the flow of male, female, and duets in the hour. To design or edit a view, open the View menu and select Edit the Clock or Log Style. Here we can name the view. We can also tell Music One which will be the primary color of the format clock segments. We tell it to display the color of the category, or the color of the gender, or the tempo color, or the sound code, or so on. If we select a crust color, Music One will add a small crust around the edge of the clock and display that selected color. For example, I might decide to have the main slice of the clock be the color of the category of the song scheduled there, and the crust color be the color of the tempo of the song that got scheduled. With the clock text field, we can tell Music One which field of text to display next to the format slots on the clock. You can select Artist, Artist and Title, Title Only, Tempo, Gender, and such things. The scheduling window can also be displayed in Log or List view. That view is associated with the clock style view name that you've selected, but the display itself is completely independent of the clock view. You switch between log and clock views with these 2 buttons. The log view is edited right on the screen. Add additional data columns to the screen by moving the pointer into one of the column headings and then doing a mouse right click. Slide the pointer to the field and see the list of all the data fields available. Select a data field name, and that becomes displayed in the column that you selected. Right-click in a heading, and you can make some font choices. Right-click in the heading, and you can select a font color for the column. You can align the column text, left, right, or centered. Columns can be shifted to the left or to the right. To add a new column, right-click in a column heading and select Insert Column. Then, right-click in the new column heading and select the field of data to be displayed in that column. To remove a column, right-click and select Remove. In the log view, the start time column is always displayed. It can be set to show the start time for each unit as relative time or cumulative time. There's another video explaining this.